So your so for share attention ne ho nsem eso eye Owura Godfred Yebo Adame wo the ato director general wo CID prosi atenaye enim se na daruma enipa bi ekunkunkun mo ya ebi ti se Ahmed Swale Professor Bene ene ne keka ho na bepem enne CID prosi fo ma yehu asem ni ti ene ne kon wo mo fa de o ma ye hwehwemu akosi nyina emra na wo hu ekwan yom befa so asem on beka kra na afi okra.
I would also draw your attention to various unresolved crimes. Indeed, there has been quite a number of unresolved murder cases. Key among them is the longer-standing Ameswale matter. Indeed, there's a need for a resolution for that crime, because the resolution will actually even indicate the motive for the commission of the crime. Now it's become it's gained currency that the person was killed on account of the work that he was doing. That may necessarily not be the case. If the person could have been murdered not be on account of his work, it could have been as a result of many other concerns or motives. But it can only be ascertained through a resolution of that kind. So I actually had in mind writing to the Director General CID requesting for an update on investigations regarding the Ameswale matter. Now that we're here, I think that we could just shorten the process by requesting you to deliver this office with an update of the investigations into the matter. Then we'll be able to advise you. And I think that crime generally has also assumed very, serious complexities. We have witnessed various unconventional crimes, what I describe as unconventional crimes. Example is this recent upsurge in secessionist offenses. So I think the police people ought to boost their investigative wherewithal to ensure that the various instances of secession will be brought to book. Of course, we can only prosecute, as I said, based on solid dockets prepared by the CID. So you ought to really boost some mechanism for investigating the cases of secession as well as treason, which really were not known in the recent past.
On the Ameswale case, Honorable Minister, I will leave the details to the Commissioner CID. I know that some progress has been made, and in terms of the actions on the part of police, it may not be prudent to put that out in the public domain. We've taken certain steps in terms of investigation, and I believe that's a step further than the normal thing that we are doing. And let me assure you, Honorable Attorney General, that on our part, we'll do everything in our power to ensure that these cases, only those that are reported to us, will pursue them to their logical conclusion. These cases occupy a high place in our priorities, and therefore anything that comes up, we would make sure that justice is done through our investigations.